Hello everyone. You might notice my voice is a little off. I'm really still not feeling good. I've been really struggling with this cold. Now it's moved into my ears, so I have no idea how loud I'm actually talking. Hopefully it's loud enough for you, but if it's not, I'm sorry. Anyway, I am just going to do a short video and just going to do a what's coming up type of video. I'm struggling so much today, I cannot even do a video that's proper, a making video. So I'm going to be doing just this. So what's coming up, the next little while, I'm going to be doing page pockets, a page pocket series. We did page pockets 1 quite a while ago. The page pockets folios are My Porch Prints folios. And there is a series of 5 of them. So we've done number 1, and there were people that really enjoyed them, and I thought, well, let's just do the rest of them. We'll do 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a series. That's going to be my next sort of things that I'm going to be doing for the next while. Mostly because it'll help me get over this cold without having to think too much, because it's sort of, you put it together. After we're all finished that, I might come back and do some dressing up or changing or whatever. I might change them a bit as I go along. I'm not sure at this point. As I said, my brain isn't functioning well. But I thought I'd just sort of show you. This is page pockets number 2. So it's just they're very simple folios, but they are very nice folios as well. And they have a lot of ephemera that comes with them and things to put into the various areas and pockets and things like that. This one is page pockets number 3. So you can see that there is a difference already in the 2. I mean, you're only seeing it open in sort of the middle. You can see there's a difference in the 2. All 4 of them, or all 5 of them actually, are different from each other. This is number 4, so we're going to have some tag pockets along the side and a pocket here, and there'll be various things inside. This flips, of course, the 3 different ones flip. So that one's going to be, kind of fun to make. And if you want, I mean, go to the My Porch Prints on Etsy. I'll have a link in the below thing. And go and find the page pockets. Just look for page pockets, and you'll see the whole group of them will come up, all 5 of them. If you want, get 1 or 2 of them even, and just work along. They're very reasonably priced. That's one of the reasons I really like My Porch Prints, is everything that they have is very reasonably priced. For what you're getting, it's really reasonable. And then this is number 5. So it looks like it has rings. It's just part of the paper, and it looks really cool if you put it in like that with that look. And then you get a few other things over here. So that's the 4. That'll be the next 4 videos. And then we are going to move into a new kind of series that I want to do. And I won't necessarily do like a whole bunch one after the other, but it's going to be called stories. One of the things that I find with folios and journals for myself is that the folios are often just ephemera holders. And you get a bunch of 25 or 30 of them on my shelf behind me that have ephemera in them. The ephemera never gets used, it just sits in there. The folios never get looked at because they're ephemera, they're just ephemera. And I make them because I like making them, but then they just sit, and all they are is full of ephemera. So you cut out all the ephemera and you put it all in, you close up the thing, you put it on a shelf, that's it. I've yet to see somebody take their folio and actually use the ephemera in it, use the folio for something other than an ephemera holder. And I am getting a little tired of having so much ephemera in all of these different folios, nowhere to use it because everything is ephemera holders. Even a lot of the journals that are being made are just another ephemera holder. You put pockets in and then you fill them up with ephemera that comes with the journal kit, which is fine if that's what you want. But if you're looking at using this thing afterwards, then you don't want all the ephemera in it. And I know you can leave it out, blah, blah. but that's beside the point. So I decided that I was going to start making stories to go with whatever it is, so that anything that's tucked into it is going to be part of the story, and it won't necessarily be what comes with whatever the kit is. And it might be a combination of 2 or 3 kits. There might be a journal and a folio and something else. I'm not sure at this point, but I do know that the first one is going to be called Clara. And Clara is a beekeeper who has been kind of forced into the whole beekeeping thing. And you'll find out her story as we do things. The folio that goes with it is already together, and I'm not going to redo it. There is a journal going to go with it, and there's possibly going to be other things that go with it that are put into the journal, into the folio, etc. And I want to tell Clara's story. There's one thing that I am is a good storyteller. I hope you'll enjoy those various story series that we do. And the other thing that I wanted to mention while I'm doing this video, this particular one, is that we are nearly at 100 subscribers, and we're very excited about that because we've only been actually doing this since the beginning of December, so only a couple of months, coming up 3 months that we've been doing this. Well, December, January, and February is almost over, so coming up 3 months that we've been doing this, and for us to have 100 subscribers in that length of time is a real huge pat on the back for us. It means that we're doing something right. It means that there are people out there who want to hear our nonsense and are enjoying watching what we do. I am sorry, my throat is closing down. I'm going to have to stop quick. But anyways, in celebration of our 100 subs, when that happens, we are going to be doing draws. And we're deciding on how many draws, how many names we're going to draw, and what we're going to be giving away and all the rest of it. But I wanted to kind of clue you in that this is in the works, that we are going to celebrate that 100 subscribers. And every 100 subscribers after that we're going to celebrate with draws. And it'll be for things like folios full of ephemera. So if you're a person who wants to receive one of the folios that I've made, it won't be a story folio or a story set because that's big, but it will be folios. It will be cards that I've made, and you may not have seen them on the channel because I made a lot of cards before I ever decided to do YouTube. Now, one of the things that I want to sort of tell you is that you need to be publicly subscribed to our channel, which means that in the area on your channel where you are subscribing, you need to change one of your settings to public from private if it's set at private. We will be going more into detail with that later on as things kind of start happening. We will do a more detailed, these are the rules kind of thing for the draw. But it's basically, you need to subscribe. You're also going to need to be making comments on certain videos, so be prepared for that as well. But it's going to be certain videos, and when the contest starts, we will let you know that we're starting, and we will tell you in every video, this is a video that you have to subscribe, and you have to be subscribed and comment on. And we'll explain how to change it to public if you don't know. We'll do a video that explains the whole contest after we reach that 100. And we want to be a stable 100. So we might be at 105, and that means that it's stable. Because you're always going up and down in subscribers. Every YouTuber goes through it. One person goes away and another person comes in, and you're always in motion as far as subscribers are concerned. And that's okay. I mean, that's a good thing, but it means that we might be at 199 and then 199 for a couple of weeks before it finally stabilizes at over that 100. So you might see it at 100 for a little while before we actually say, okay, the contest can go on now. because now we're stable at 100. A lot of people don't do anything at 100 or 200 or whatever, but we've decided that every 100 up to our 500, we're going to be celebrating, and at 500 we're going to do 10 draws at least, because it's that is a fantastic goal for us to reach, is 500 subscribers. And then after that, our next big goal will be 1,000. But in the meantime, I just wanted to let you know that that is in the works as well. And now I really have to go and rest my voice, and I am sorry that I can't do a proper making something video, but this is the best I can do for right now. At least I'm getting something out to you and letting you know that I'm still here, but I just can't do much right now. And I'm going to go sleep right now because it's time for my rest. Anyway, you take care. Do subscribe and do check that little thumbs up thing, the little, the thumbs up guy, that one. Make a comment. Tell me how you're feeling about what we're doing, and tell me if you're excited about, either the page pockets or the story series or whatever. Just let me know. And I will talk to you as soon as I can. This will upload for Saturday. And then the next one will be Tuesday. So I'll be getting page pockets number 2 ready to do. I am not going to do I'm going to cut everything out before the video so that it's all ready and I just have to put it together. And I'll do that with all 4 of these because they are just a kit. You don't need to see them before they're cut out. You're seeing the picture here, that's giving you an idea of what's coming up. So we really appreciate you being here and listening to my chatter. And yeah, you look after yourselves, and I'll be back in the next one. Bye now.